Quincy and the Dinosaurs. The little Einsteins are going on a trip. They ride inside their favorite rocket ship. "Rocket is taking us to the jungle," says Quincy. "We are looking for dinosaurs," says Annie. What is that? What do they hear? They hear music loud and clear. "Look," says Leo, "the dinosaurs are playing music." "We can play music with them," says Quincy. They hear a harp, an oboe, a drum, and a piccolo. One baby dinosaur sings along. He sweetly sings a piccolo song. "That is a piccolo dactyl," says June. "He is singing with his mommy." "What a sweet baby dinosaur," says Annie. "I can play piccolo with him," says Quincy. Now they hear another sound, so deep, so loud, it shakes the ground. "Oh no, it is a Biceratops Rex," says Leo. "It sounds like my bass," says Quincy, "but much louder." "He is fortissimo," says June. "Oh no, baby piccolo dactyl is afraid. He just flew away," says Annie. "Baby piccolo dactyl, where are you? Your mommy is worried and we are too." "We have a mission," says Leo. "We have got to find baby piccolo dactyl." Rocket zooms through the sky and lands, but then they hear that fortissimo sound again. "I hear the Biceratops Rex," says Annie. "He is very loud," says June. "He is fortissimo." "Hide, Rocket, hide," says Leo. They see another dinosaur. It sounds like a tuba. What could it be? "There is a Thebasasaurus," says Quincy. "He says that baby piccolo dactyl went that way," says June. "Oh no, I hear that fortissimo sound again," says Annie. "Let's go." They find 3 tunnels under the ground. They listen for the piccolo sound. "I hear an oboraptor in this tunnel," says Leo. "I hear a harpodon in this tunnel," says June. "I hear a piccolo in this tunnel," says Annie. "Let's follow the piccolo sound," says Quincy. On a mountain, they see baby piccolo dactyl play. He doesn't know that trouble is on its way. "Baby piccolo dactyl is on that mountain," says Leo. "But it is a volcano," says June. "It will erupt soon." "We need to save him," says Annie. Rocket moves from slow to fast. Will baby piccolo dactyl be safe at last? The speedy meter is slow, adagio. And then it is a little faster, morato. Then it is even faster, allegro. Now it is super fast, presto. The volcano wants to blow its top. The Thebasasaurus tries to make it stop. "There is the Thebasasaurus Rex," says Leo. "But he is not fortissimo anymore," says June. "He is quiet. He is piano," says Annie. "The Thebasasaurus Rex puts the volcano to sleep. He is a good dinosaur." Mommy and baby are together once more. Can you hear in the distance a fortissimo roar? Mission completion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and hit that notification bell. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter.
And for more Disney Little Einstein stories, check out my Disney Little Einsteins playlist. And check out some of my other playlists of videos. See you all in the next adventure.